Welcome! So welcome to raw vegan chocolate chip cookies!
This is possibly the easiest cookie ever to make, and it's extremely healthy. That's the beautiful thing about it. We're in January, in a healthy time of the year. This cookie fits that bill.
It's got 5 ingredients. It's probably going to take 4 minutes. You do not need to bake it. And here we go.
First thing you'll need is a food processor.
100 grams of cashew nuts, obviously raw if that's important for you.
Lid on and blend them up until we reach a flour or breadcrumb-like texture. Beautiful.
Okay, so we've blended it until it's almost like a flour texture. It took about a minute.
So you see, it's very like breadcrumb kind of fire.
So really light anyway.
Might take a little longer in your food processor.
We've got 100 grams of dates. These are just, we buy them in chopped pitted dates. So just any kind of chopped pitted date. Medjool would obviously be even tastier.
The dates are going to function as the binder and the sweetener.
Yeah, we've got 30 grams of oats, so regular porridge oats.
Use gluten-free if you want to make them gluten-free.
We're going in with a pinch of salt.
Nice.
Nice little pinch of salt.
We'll go with a little bit of vanilla extract. Essence, I'm going to go with 1 teaspoon.
That's extract.
That's extract, excuse me.
High quality premium vanilla extract. It'll give a nice kind of bang of cookie off it. Back into the food processor and whiz for about another minute. Boom, bingo. We've got a super cool right-on mixing bowl, so any kind of mixing bowl. This recipe only does about 6 cookies, so double it obviously if you want to make more.
But we just want to highlight how simple it is.
So obviously these are raw vegan cookies, so we're using cacao nibs. So Stephen, what's a cacao nib?
Cacao nib comes from the cacao pod. Typically it tastes like chocolate, but it's lacking the refined fat and refined sweetener. So it tastes like chocolate, but without the hit. It's a bit like drinking a non-alcoholic beer waiting to get drunk.
Now, that isn't a very good sales pitch, but they're one of the highest sources of magnesium and manganese and all sorts of good things and antioxidants. Now, it's very, very complicated. You take a handful of the dough, squeeze it together into a ball, and then using your hands, flatten it into a cookie. So that's my cookie cutter.
Nice, man, that's pretty simple.
Pretty cool, huh? Always looks nice with a few little chopped chips put into it.
Yeah, just a few little cacao nibs right in the top and just press them in.
With making raw vegan cookies, there can sometimes be a compromise. If you did not want these to be raw, chopped chips will obviously take it to the next level, dark chopped chips that are vegan.
And a tablespoon or 2 of coconut oil will add more fat and make them more indulgent. However, we wanted to make these super clean, super quick and very
really good. They're really good. We ate 2 of them, so sorry about that. But that's it. It literally takes 4 minutes to make. Like, it's dead simple. And we're dedicating this to you. Raw vegan cookies in approximately 4 minutes.
Although the ingredients are so simple, it's really satisfying tasting. It's a lovely cream
really
from the cashews, bang of vanilla coming through, nice crispy chocolate.
Lovely texture. There you have it, raw vegan cookies in 4 minutes with 5 ingredients. Really simple.
Yeah, great healthy snack to have. Great one if you have kids, and alternatively just delicious.
Yeah. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for watching and sending loads of love.
Cheers.